There is no way that man is getting that semi-truck in this driveway.
Okay.
There is no way that...
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 65 right here. So he can be hanging in the road just a tad bit. People got to go around him. But the situation we have here is we're getting cabinets delivered, and they asked if we have enough room to back a semi truck in, a 65-foot semi truck. So I just counted it out, and it seems like we're gonna be just there. But he could get here and be like, nah, that's not for me. And we're gonna have to figure out somehow to get 5 pallets worth of cabinets into the garage from the road. How's it going, sir?
Lord have mercy, there ain't no way. There is no way that man is getting that semi-truck in this driveway.
Okay.
That is...
Because
no.
from the garage
No,
pavement to the end of the road here is 65 feet. Exactly. You might be hanging a little bit in the road.
Yeah, but I gotta run.
Oh, I know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I was saying. The angle of it could be. That's true.
So,
True.
let me see what he says.
Okay. Open the garage. Oh, hey, hold on. I got the thing right here. We got cabinets.
You can carry by yourself.
Yeah. Got it? Yep, got it. Thank you. All right.
Wait, they're built?
Are they?
Oh my...
Oh, they are. No, it's for us. All right, so we got some great news. So we were technically supposed to build every single one of these cabinets, assemble them, but they have came built already. So that is gonna save so much time for us, and we just got so excited, and our day's gonna go good now.
All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to be installing our kitchen cabinets at the flip house, finally.
Yes.
We actually just finished, and Ryan, what were your thoughts?
I thought it was easier than what I thought it was gonna be.
Honestly, I thought it was a lot easier than we thought it was going to be as well, too, which means if we think it's easy, you guys will totally be able to do this. So stay tuned for the rest of the video and see how it turns out.
True.
Know what I'm saying?
True, yeah, I see. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay, yeah.
Know what I'm saying?
Yep, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay.
Across there, right?
Yep. So, since we're not putting this on top of any kind of flooring, we're butting up flooring to it, we have to raise this a certain amount so that when we slide the dishwasher, when the countertop's in, and the dishwasher has to slide in, it's not, the countertop's not lower than what the dishwasher is. So we're giving it that 1/4 to 1/2 inch raise so it can slide in perfect.
Tip courtesy of Chris.
Yes. Oh. Bubble wrap.
6-foot level.
We're just all,
We're just waiting on.
we're all just watching.
Probably move a little bit quicker than the pants are a little tight at the bottom. That's just my opinion.
I like to show off my butt for the camera.
I'm not looking at your butt.
All the ladies like it. They're like, Ryan, I love your butt.
No, none of the ladies. It's
Right.
Okay, I can't bend over. My pants are too tight. Oh.
Whoa, watch
was
it.
the side.
Watch it. These are some nice cabinets. Okay.
These are some nice cabinets.
You gotta.
Thanks, honey. Glad you're here to support me.
Anything for you.
You're the best.
You're freaking...
I don't care. Get out of here. Get out of here. Show them. Good. All right, so
then.
just put it in a what? Oh.
Hey, Rye, you got a few somethings on your back, by the way.
Thank you. I figured. I was tired of ripping them off.
Like 30.
Y'all are in. Grow up. Oh, we gotta go.
sure, because like, see, you're not even back against the wall here.
Sure. Well, I had to drop it away for it to be.
You need to just make sure.
20.
And always put these like almost at the same point.
Day 2.
Don't. If you let go of that, Kels.
Let me let go of it.
No, the
Let me-
pitcher's gonna slap me.
It's not like
Kelsey,
that.
get
It's
out of
not
it.
like that. Let me just do it. Told you, it's not like.
I got me my Pencil Finder 3000, you know, so I don't lose it at all. Kelsey got me this little device. Look at that, anywhere I go. Bam. All right, so this is a pocket hole jig. It makes your life so much easier, and I would recommend this to anybody because it helps us a lot. So what I'm doing is drilling in angle holes to where I can put it into the side panel of the dishwasher and into the sink panel. All right, so this one's crooked, so let's see what the next one's going to be.
Is it crooked? I thought you said
I don't
it
know,
wasn't.
you said it was, so it must be. I don't mess up twice, that's for sure.
Sir.
Sorry.
Is that the bottom one?
I don't mess up 3 times. Hey, money.
I got it.
Got it. I have to feel it, dude. Sweet.
She's sturdy.
All right, so the cabinets are done.
We're super excited that we finally were able to get started on this kitchen. I love how it's looking so
Yes.
far. Next up is countertops, cabinet hardware, and just all of the other fun
stuff.
things. So stay tuned and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. Good job.
Always on Ryan.